Teachers, you have one more responsibility before you are free for summer vacation this year. That's right, you guessed it, another checklist. But don't worry, we're here with an official Chromebook cleaning video to help you. Remember that June 5th is the official Chromebook cleaning and collection day for West Hope Middle School. Mr. Covington will share the checkoff document with you. Have each student under your supervision, of course, clean their Chromebooks like so. First, know that students can leave their name tag in their Chromebook bag. Next, make sure the screens are cleaned with a microfiber cloth that might be slightly damp. Keyboards can be cleaned with either a damp microfiber cloth or an antibacterial wipe. Make sure the outside of the device has been cleaned and there is no visible dirt, food, grime, or anything sticky on the outside of the Chromebook. Also, let's make sure we clean the cases. Make sure cases have been emptied and cleaned. An antibacterial wipe will clean the outside of the case very well. Check the pockets for any materials, dirt, crumbs, anything that might be left in the bag. Clean in the pockets as well. Also, make sure you lift up underneath where the keyboard sits and clean that space as well. Once you've had the students clean their Chromebooks and cases, check off your list and note any damages to the Chromebook or the case. Then look to the bottom of your roster and answer the questions there. Please return your Chromebooks and this document to Ms. Wood, Ms. Morrissey, or Mr. Covington on June 5th in the Media Center. Teachers, we know this may seem like a little extra work. However, by working together to get the job done, anything is possible. And remember, completing this gets you one step closer to summer break. Thank you. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to ask.